Design Assessment 4-1 Circles 7.9b. Read each problem carefully. Refer to the math chart for the correct formula. Show all work. Good luck. Question number 1. A group of students stood in a circle to play a game. The circle had a diameter of 22 meters. Which measurement is closest to the circumference of the circle in meters? A. 34.54 meters. B. 1,519.76 meters. C. 379.94 meters. Or D. 69.08 meters. Question number 2. A circular tablecloth has a radius of 2.5 feet. Kyle is sewing a piece of ribbon around the edge of the tablecloth. If Kyle has exactly enough ribbon, which measurement is closest to the length of the piece of ribbon in feet? A. 7.85 feet. B. 15.7 feet. C. 19.63 feet. Or D. 31.4 feet. Question number 3. A bicycle tire has a radius of 15 inches. What is the distance traveled after 3 rotations? Round to the nearest tenth. Fill in the griddable. Question number 4. A cylindrical barrel has a diameter of 19.875 inches. Which of the following is the best estimate of the circumference of the barrel in feet? A. 10 feet. B. 2 feet. C. 5 feet. Or D. 1 foot. Question number 5. A rotating sprinkler sprays water in a circular area of grass, as shown in the picture. The diameter of the circular area is 16 feet. Which measurement is closest to the area in square feet that the sprinkler will spray with water? A. 100.48 square feet. B. 50.24 square feet. C. 200.96 square feet. Or D. 803.84 square feet. Question number 6. A can of soup has a diameter of 8.5 centimeters. What is the area of the can's circular base? Round your answer to the nearest tenth. Fill in the griddable. Question number 7. Jennifer painted a tabletop that is shaped like a circle. The circumference of the tabletop is 6 pi feet. Which measurement is closest to the area of the tabletop in square feet? A. 18.84 square feet. B. 28.26 square feet. C. 37.68 square feet. Or D. 113.04 square feet. Question number 8. Susan designed a circular pool with a diameter of 25 meters. How much of her backyard in square meters will the bottom of the pool cover? Fill in the griddable. That's the end of the test. Please go back and double check your work. Pause, replay the questions needed. Good luck.